Let us look at this particular question. It has come in JEE Mains 2019, 11th January, second shift examination. There are three discs D1, D2 and D3 as we have tried to show it in the figure. Just observe the disc D1 is horizontal and at the two ends, the two discs D2 and D3 which are in the vertical plane, they are attached tangentially to the base disk D1. Is it not? So just observe this D3 is in the vertical plane and this disk D2 it is in the vertical plane and this D1 is in the horizontal plane. So each have a mass m, radius r. Our job is to find out the moment of inertia of the system about the axis O, O dash. Now let's try. See, we are ready with the moment of inertia of a disk about its own axis. So formula is known to everybody. So what is the moment of inertia of the horizontal disk? So that moment of inertia will be equal to half m r square of the horizontal disk. Now, if you look at the other two vertical disks, here we need to find out the moment of inertia of this vertical disk about its own diameter. So, let's take that vertical disk. Let's say this is the disk, and now we need to find out the moment of inertia about an axis which is perpendicular to the horizontal disk or parallel to this vertical disk about its diameter. So the moment of inertia about this everybody knows is, it is how much? Let us just have a quick revision. Moment of inertia about each diameter will be, sum of them will be half mr square according to the theorem of perpendicular axis. So each will be equal to 1/4 mr square. Now, according to the theorem of parallel axis, shift this moment of inertia about an axis which is parallel to this. And what will be the distance? Just look at this. The distance is equal to r, is it not? From where point O is passing through. So this distance, it has to be equal to r. So let's check this point O. This distance is nothing but is equal to capital R. So according to the theorem of parallel axis, it should be equal to 1/4 mr square plus m into r square. So how much it will be equal to? 5/4 mr square. Similarly, if we can calculate the moment of inertia of the other disk which is symmetrically placed to the other side of this, it will be also having 5/4 mr square. Now, the total moment of inertia, of the structure about the axis O dash will be equal to the sum of the three, that is, it will be having half mr square of the original horizontal disk. So this is equal to half mr square plus those vertical plane disks, it is equal to 5/4 mr square, and its another counterpart is also 5/4 mr square, so into 2. So finally it is half mr square plus, again if you work out how much it comes out to be, 5/2 mr square. 4 and 2 gets cancelled. So 1/2 plus 5/2 is equal to 6/2, that is 3 mr square. So we have 3 mr square is the moment of inertia of this structure about the given axis as per the given situation. Just check the calculations.